Where is the emissions vapor purge solenoid on your Chevy Express van? I'm going to show you that in this video. This is Scotties Hobbies. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm looking at a 2012 Chevy Express van with a 4.3 liter V6 engine in it. Let's verify that to make sure. It sounds like someone's doing dentistry somewhere. But we have a 2012, try to get the glare out of there, 4.3 V6. I'm actually chasing some codes on this. We got some EVAP codes, and the one I'm really worried about is the P0441B-00 fuel trim bank 2. Out of balance, I'm taking a look at that, but I am going to show you guys where your vapor purge solenoid is on this vehicle real fast. And before we go too far, please hit that like button, subscribe, check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos. And if you're looking for a MuCar product, either the MuCar 892, or sorry, this is the MuCar 632, or the 892BT, or the TPS reset, go over to ThinkCar, I think it is, and use code Scotties. You get 10% off. Link in the description and the code below. But here it is. I have the dog cover off. Thought I was going to be more prepared for this. Actually, let me move this around. Try to. Okay. Right there. If you see that, well, you can see it very clearly. This is your vapor canister purge solenoid. And to get this off, all you got to do is this little tab right here on the side is push down, push this tab over. Hopefully you can see it. The tab right there. So push down, push the tab over, pull this up. This connector will come off. And this right here, a lot of people ask me what this green cap is for. This is where you could do a, what is it, a smoke diagnostic test. So this is called the service port for the EVAP system. You take this off and you could actually see, you could hook up a smoke machine to it and see where it's leaking. The electrical connection is right here. Tab on the bottom. Get that off real fast where you can see it's right there. And then to remove it, there is a 10mm bolt on the bottom of it right there. For me to get it off, I used my CC Tech extended ratchet from right up top, and it was able to reach right through onto the bottom. So that is the location of your vapor canister purge solenoid on your, I'm so dark, where do you go, brighten up, on your Chevy Express van. The year range on this will be in the description below, and if you need one of these parts, there'll also be links in the description below for you to go purchase one. I'll try to get the AC Delco part number and get a link to that, but check for links in the description. Check out MuCar, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I will see you on the next hopefully helpful video.